So here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 49,482. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using controls on the indicator stalk. And then if we back out to the steering wheel, the indicator stalk controls are just here. We have our cruise control, speed limiter, forward collision warning system. We have our stereo and phone controls over on the right hand side. And then in the center, the main menu for the car, which amongst other things, you can pair your phone up on there. You can of course access your audio options. Hit source, you'll see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input as well. You can also project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen by connecting up your smartphone as well. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see the full color reversing camera available there as well. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. And then beneath that, we have these 4 buttons. So we can turn the lane departure warning system on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We've got our traction control we can turn on and off. And we can put the vehicle into sport mode and then normal mode from here as well. And then lastly, we have a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.